sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. We
Before-
did multiplication by 2.
Okay. But before going for multiplication, we have some more models in additions and subtractions only. Okay. We'll cover all those things first. Later, we'll enter into multiplications. Okay. I think we have completed this one.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yes, sir, we have did this by the method of Sankalana Vyavakalana.
Sankalana Vyavakalana.
Yes, sir.
Rishit
Yes,
Yam
sir.
is in waiting room only. Why? Okay, today we are going to take a new sutra. Important one. That is Nikhilam Navata Charamam Dashata.
Sir, in our last teacher, we learned this.
Okay, okay. No issue. We'll say it again because we are in
Sir,
an.
it will
in
be
an
the
odd
quick
session.
revision.
Sorry.
Sir, it will be the quick revision of this.
Okay, okay. If you feel it as a revision, that is okay. If somebody may feel it as a new one also. Okay, Nikhilam Navata Charamam Dashata. Shahu, can you read it?
Nikhilam Navatash Charamam Dashataha.
Very good. Jashmita, read it.
Yes, sir. Nikhilam Navat. Wait, what?
Actually, this is Sanskrit word. If you are not comfortable, you can read it. In English is also the translation. Nikhilam. Jashmita. Okay, meanwhile, Akash, read it.
Okay, sir. Nikhilam Navat Charanam Dashataha.
No. Read it again.
Nikhilam Navat
Navata
Navataha Sacharanam
Charamam.
Charamam Dashataha.
Yes.
Nikhilam
Yes, he
Navasataranam.
pronounce cha. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Charamam Dashata.
Sir, I
So that
joined
means
late.
Nikhilam.
What happened?
Sorry.
I have joined late. Sir, can you say what happened in the class?
Just now we started. Why you are taken that much time to join?
So that means Nikhilam Navataha Sharanamam Dashataha.
Charamam.
Charamam Dashataha.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Rishit, read it.
Nikhilam Navata Sharmam Dashata.
Very good, correct. Nikhilam Navata Charamam Dashataha. So Nikhilam means all. Nava means 9. Charamam means last. Dashata means 10. Okay. So see, all from 9 and last from 10. That is the sutra. Okay. Many people will call simply it as a Nikhilam. Simply they will call it as Nikhilam.
Yes, sir. It like when our last teacher was teaching us this, she also used to say Nikhilam Sutra.
Yeah, simply they will call it. Many will call it as a Nikhilam. Okay, we'll see the sutra. This is actually subtraction sutra. Any number when it is subtracting from its above base number, we can use this. See, what are the base numbers we have? 10 powers. 10 powers are base numbers. Remember this point. 10 powers are base numbers. So what is 10 power 1?
10.
10.
100.
100.
100,000, 10,000,
1,000,
lakh crore, 10 crore,
100,000.
and so
100
on.
kharab.
Okay, and so on, right? Okay, see, what is the above base for 24? Above base.
10.
No, below base is 10. Above base is
20. 100.
100.
100 is the above base of 24. 24 above base is 100. So what is the above base of some 675?
1,000,
1,000.
10,000.
What is the above base of 7?
10.
10.
10. So any number when it is subtracting from its above base, we'll use this sutra, all from 9 and the last from 10. Okay. So far clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll
Sir,
see how
can
to
you
use
explain
it.
this again? That 24, 675, and 7.
Yes, sir. Can you
Okay.
explain it
Sorry?
once more? Sir, can you repeat what you have said once more? I didn't understand. And one more person, Sahu, sir.
Sir, that 675's base will be 1000, no?
Yes, 1,000 only.
Okay,
If he's
sir.
not,
Understood.
if he's not mentioning anything, simply sometimes he may ask the question like, apply all from 9 and the last from 10 on 675. If that is the question. Apply, sorry. Apply Nikhilam Sutra. Apply Nikhilam Sutra on 675. If that is the case, his intention is he is asking to find 1000 minus 675. Okay.
325.
Right? Clear? Shahu, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. The answer will be
Okay,
Yes,
right.
sir.
Now we'll see how to apply that sutra. Rishit, see here. 1000 minus 675. If it is the case,
Yes, sir.
now we can see. Wait. Let me explain. If it is the case, we can apply this sutra. See, last means here. What is the last digit?
5, sir.
5. 5 we have to subtract from
10.
10.
10. And except this 5, all the remaining numbers we have to subtract from
9.
9. That is the intention of the sutra. All from
Sir, I
9
learned-
and last from 10.
Sir, I learned this method in my school.
Okay. Maybe some teachers will teach this one, but they may not tell you this is the Vedic Sutra. We can use, many students know some tricks and techniques of Vedic Sutra, but without knowing that is a Vedic Sutra. Okay. Right. 10 minus 5 is?
5.
5.
9 minus 7?
2.
2. And 9 minus 6?
3.
That is the answer. Easy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And see one more thing. What is the logic behind this sutra? Let's see that one. Suppose some other number, some 1000 minus some 278. If this is the case, generally in our conventional method, we'll do from left to right or right to left.
Left to right.
Sorry,
Left to right.
left to
Right
right
to
or right
left.
to
Right
left?
to left. Right to
Yeah,
left.
we'll do from right to left. So from 0, we have to subtract 8. Because it is not possible, we'll take 10 borrow. Right? But there is nothing here also. So it will take a borrow from this this position. And there is nothing here also. That's why it will take the borrow from this position. So if it takes a borrow from this position, it becomes 10, right? But when 1 goes to the next position, it will be 9 only.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Then it will be 10 again. When 1 goes to this position, one's position, then it will be 9. And the last position will be 10. So that is the logic behind this sutra. Rishit, okay?
Sir, I didn't understood. Can you explain again the sutra?
Who is that one?
Sir, Pallav.
Pallav, what is your problem? Where is your doubt?
Sir, I didn't understood anything, sir.
Okay, here we are subtracting a number from 10 powers. Remember this one, simple thing. Okay, we are subtracting any number from 10 powers or base number.
But this only starts from 2-digit numbers, no, sir, because from 7 we can't subtract 10 and 9.
No. In that case, we'll apply another sutra. We have another sutra. Okay. So this is the sutra best suitable for the subtractions like this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. Pallav.
Understood, sir.
Okay, right. Just I'm telling the logic. We will not use this logic here because it's a conventional method. So instead of doing all these processes, simply we are saying subtract all the digits from 9 except the last digit, and the last digit we have to subtract from 10. Simple. Okay. Some
Okay, sir,
persons
understood.
will tell the sutra as all to 9 and last to 10. So what is their intention? See, suppose some 10,000 minus 5,784, if this is the case. So see, all to 9 and the last to 10 means here we have to make this 4 to 10 and we have to make all the remaining numbers to 9. Okay, to make this 4 as 10, how much is required?
6.
Sorry,
6, sir.
6. So to make 8 as 9,
1.
1 is
1.
9. So to make 7 as 9,
2.
to
2.
make 5 as 9.
4.
So we may take it as all from 9 and last from 10, or we may call it as all to 9 and last to 10. So here we are doing 10 minus 5 is 5, but here he is telling 4 plus how much is 10. Okay, and subtraction he is converting into addition. Simple. So I think I hope all of you clear with this.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So if anybody have any doubt, just ask here only, because we are going to the exercise.
Sir, I
Anybody,
didn't
any
understand.
doubt? If no doubt, we'll go to the exercise. Yeah, Akash, tell me.
Sir, actually, I understood till like the unit digit. I didn't understand after the unit digit. I would like we have to subtract from
Okay.
9.
See
that's
here,
what.
only units place we have to subtract from 10. That's all. And all the remaining we have to subtract from 9. Okay. Suppose any number is given. Any number.
So like you have taken 675.
Okay. In that 675, what is the units place? Unit digit?
Sir, 5. So we have to subtract from 10.
10. And all the remaining digits we have to subtract from 9.
9.
Simple. Clear, Akash?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here I'm not considering the questions of Pallav and Ritvika because exercise is not given till. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And
Mistakenly,
sir,
yes.
After seeing the
sir,
questions.
they have, I don't know.
Okay.
Sir, and they also don't know how many questions are there. Then also they are writing D, E, and all.
It may be there may be
Sir,
questions.
but at least there are 5 to 6 sums. That's why they might be typing.
Okay.
Yes, sir, because maximally there are more than 5 sums in each and every exercise.
Okay. We'll do one thing today. Give the names of our first exercise. After seeing the exercise, after seeing the questions, you can select questions. And whoever got the chance in first exercise and will not get the chance in second exercise, we'll give it to the new persons. The chance will goes to the new persons. After that, again, new
No,
person.
sir, don't do like this.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Don't do like
Do
that,
that.
sir.
Don't do like
Please, sir.
No. We'll
Sir,
do
so
in
that
that way
nobody
only.
will get
Then
chance.
only everybody will
yes, sir.
get the question.
Sir, do like that only, sir. But if all the members are completed, again next exercise again.
Yeah,
to
next
start
again open for all. Then, if all the persons are completed one round, next 1 second.
Okay, sir, I understood. You can do that.
Sir, if Pallav I sent by mistake, it got sent.
Sir, even I sent Ritvika as mistake.
Some persons are joining now only.
Sir, your screen is structure, so I am sending.
Sorry.
Your screen is stuck for me. Can I rejoin?
Okay. Rejoin. I'll allow.
It's not.
Not stuck. I have not given the next screen.
Yes, sir. So can you show the exercise?
Okay. We'll go to the exercise now. See the questions and don't give the names repeatedly. Okay. If it is only one time, then again given names. F Pallav and B Srihita. No, I don't consider these two also. I'll consider from now. Okay, E Ritvik. From there, I'll start. Don't give repeatedly.
So
Yeah.
should we subtract from this?
Yeah, you have to subtract these numbers from its above base. From its above base. So 444 is given in the first question. What is its above base?
1000.
1000. You have to subtract
1000.
1000. Okay. E Ritvik. If all the questions are over, don't message. Don't write anything in the chat box. Some persons are joining now only after 20 minutes. Okay. E Ritvik, E Jashmita again, B Rishit.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, actually had my class, so sorry for that. I have joined a little bit late.
Okay. Okay, no issue. You try to understand what is happening here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. D Pallav, H Akash. C Jashmita. A Rishit. So Rishit is already given for B. Na? Why again A? D Rohan.
Sir, but B is already solved now, sir.
D Rishit. Na?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I'm saying that B is already solved now, sir. Then why?
B is already solved.
Yes, sir. The 6
Okay, okay. No,
Sir,
no
in the
problem.
example,
You can select again, no problem. No issue.
Sir, then give me A, sir.
Okay, I'll give you A. Then one more person selected for B. Who is that? B Srihita.
Sir, but I took again F, sir.
Srihita.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Srihita, it is for you. F. And A is for Rishit. So,
Sir, G is a little bit difficult.
that's why nobody selected.
Yes, sir, I think.
so actually, I think it will
I-
be easy.
Sir, may I do it, Shahu?
Who?
Sir, Shahu.
Sir, even I can also do it, sir.
Shahu. You can take that one. Shahu.
Sir, I can also do that.
Okay, let us give it to Shahu. And who is going to solve B?
Sir, leave it B because B is already
Sir,
over.
why?
One more
How
person.
did you give?
One more person.
How did you written my name?
Sir, write it. Sir, you only write it, sir, like 325. Sir, are you here?
Yes, yes. Somebody is messaging. Yeah, you can message me in the chat box only. You don't need to message in mobile. B. Somebody can take B.
Sir, you have already done that, but
No problem. Again, you can do. Okay, I will allow. I will allot that one. Likita, okay? B.
Sir, I cannot understand that.
Okay, okay. Rohan.
Sir, directly shall we say the answer or the process?
You have to answer this directly. You have to answer this, but you have to explain me how you got that answer. Understood?
Sir, you can say that we should say the process now.
Okay. All of you joined persons, newly joined persons are there. Some persons. You have to observe what is happening here. Here we are going to. Akash selected a big question, right? Okay. Here we are subtracting these
So it
numbers.
was very easy.
Okay, we are subtracting these numbers from above base numbers. Above base means 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh. These numbers are base numbers. Okay, these numbers are base numbers. We are going to subtract these numbers from its above base. 9,000. Even after half an hour, also persons are joining. Why? But there are only 19 participants. Repeatedly joining. Okay, 9,000 we have to 9,000 some 888 we have to subtract from 10,000. 2,468 we have to subtract from 10,000 because above its base is 10,000. Okay. I think the newly joined persons also understand this one. You can respond. If anyone having any doubt, you can respond. You can speak. Your mic is in unmute condition only. You can unmute yourself if anyone having any doubt. Okay, let our friends explain these questions so that you can understand. Likita, see here. Rishik.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you explain this.
Sir, it is 444, sir. So the above number is 1000, sir.
Okay.
So, sir, can you write 1000?
No, I don't. Okay, okay. For you, for only this question, I'm writing here. 1000. From 1000, we are going to subtract 444. Okay, now explain.
So, we need to write over here 10, sir. Like the last one should be subtracted from 10, no, sir.
Yes.
Then,
Okay.
then the remaining 2 should be subtracted from 9.
Okay, right. Carry on.
4 minus 10 is equal to.
No.
Sorry,
4 minus 10 or 10 minus 4?
10 minus 4 is equal to 6.
Okay.
9 minus 4 is equal to 5.
Sorry?
9 minus 4 is equal to 5.
Okay.
9 minus 4 is equal to 5.
Right. So that's all. That is the answer.
That's the answer.
556. So see here, apply all from 9 and last from 10 sutra for the following numbers. That is the question. So here we are applying last, we have to make it 10 and all the remaining numbers, we have to make them 9. So whoever joined newly, I think I hope you have understood now. You can respond. If you have doubt also, or even if you understand also, you can respond. Likita, are you okay now?
Yes, I understand. What is this?
Rohan, explain.
Yes, sir. So 675 should be subtracted by 1000 because
Subtracted
it's the
from
greatest
1000.
100.
Explain.
Which will be, so the last digit should be subtracted. Minus 5, which will be 5.
10 minus 5 is
by
5.
9.
Okay.
So we 2.
Okay.
Then 6 minus 9, which will be it's a 2. 9 minus 7, 2. Answer 9 minus 6, which will be so 320 is the answer.
3. So answer is 325. Okay. Now, Jashmita,
Yes, sir.
20.
The nearest
nearest.
above base of 2468 is 10,000. So
Okay.
we have to subtract 2468 from 10,000. 9 minus 2 equals to 7. 9 minus 4 equals to 5.
9 minus 2 is 7. Okay.
9 minus 4 equals to 5.
Okay.
9 minus 6 equals to 3.
Okay.
10 minus 8 equals to 2.
Very good. Excellent. 1 second. 1 second. Satvik,
Yes, sir. I sent all the answers, sir.
why? You can send, you can make ready all the questions. If you want to send me, you can send in chat box, but privately, not public.
Sir, but in this I cannot send a photo of the answers.
Then
Okay, sir. I'll send.
keep it with you, then you can verify with all the with all the answers after
Okay,
complete. Okay. Abhinav, please respond. Abhinav,
Yes, sir.
where is your-
Hello.
where is your doubt?
Sir, actually, I came late and then I am a new joinee, so.
Okay, no issue. No problem. You can understand. Here, for 444, we are subtracting from 1000. When we are subtracting 444 from 1000, we can do in this way by this method. This is a shortcut method for this type of questions. Okay, so just concentrate on the explanations, what they are telling. Okay. By the end, you can understand. By the end of question number H. Okay.
Sir, shall I say?
Then C completed. D. Pallav.
Sir, actually it is 5-digit number, so we have to take a 6-digit, which is 1 lakh, sir.
Okay.
So first 4 digits we have to take 9 and
Mhm.
last digit as 10. So
Correct.
10 minus 6 is 4.
Very good.
9 minus 7 is 2.
Mhm.
9 minus 2 is 7.
Very good.
9 minus 8 is 1.
Yes.
9 minus 1 is 8.
Very good. Correct. Excellent. Satvik, right?
Pallav, sir. Pallav.
Hello, sir.
No. Pallav, it is okay. But somebody asked, Abhinav. Abhinav,
Yes, sir.
now you understood?
Yes, sir.
Only last digit we have to subtract from 10 and all the digits we have to subtract from 9. So that is the result of this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1 lakh minus 18,276. Its result is this one. Without writing anything, we are getting the answer. Okay. Abhinav, okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Ritvik, right?
Yes, sir.
Proceed.
Sir, 8,998 is closest to 10,000. So we
Yes.
have to take 10,000 minus 8,998. The
Okay.
units digit should be subtracted from 10. So, and the rest all should be subtracted from 9.
Okay.
10 minus 8, which would be 2.
2.
9 minus 9, which would be 0.
Okay.
9 minus 9, which would be 0 again.
Okay.
9 minus 8, which would be 1.
1. Correct. Okay. Next, Srihita. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Proceed.
Sir, 9,888 base is 10,000.
Mhm.
8 must be subtracted by 10, which gives 2. The remaining must be subtracted from 9. 8 minus 9 gives 1, and again 8 minus 9 gives 1.
Mhm.
9 minus 9 is equal to 0, so the answer is 112.
Okay, right. Here 0, 1, 1, 2. Is it exactly same as 1, 1, 2?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
because 0 is not, if the 0 is like in right hand side, so it would be consider.
Yes,
But the
yes,
0
correct.
is in left hand side, so it would be not consider.
Yes, correct. What is its value?
Its value is nothing.
No. Its value 74, right?
074.
074, sir.
No. Its value is 74. Now what is its value?
74.
74 only. Its value,
74.
74.
74.
but now its value
740.
740.
means at least 1 0 on the right side, it will affect the value of the number. So there may be any number of zeros on the left hand side, it will not affect the value of the number. So even though
Sir,
it is
if
0,
there are
1,
5 zeros also on left hand side, then also the number will be considered as 74
infinite,
only.
yeah, infinite zeros may be there, it will not affect on the left hand side. If it is at least 1 0 on the right side, it will affect.
Yes, sir. Sir, any zeros, how many zeros are there? Then also it will affect if it is in right hand side, RHS.
Yes, yes. Okay. So answer is 112 simply.
Sir, in the G1 sum, we will take as 1 crore because there are 7 digits.
Okay.
Then 10 minus 4, it will be 6.
Okay.
9 minus 0, it will be 9. 9
Mhm.
minus 3, it will be again 6. Then
Mhm.
9 minus 0, again 9. 9
Okay.
minus 2, it will be 7. 9 minus 0, 9. And 9 minus 1, 8. So the answer will be 879, 696.
Very good. Correct. 879. Sorry, 8979 696. That is the answer. Okay, Akash, your
Sir,
question.
it's very easy, sir. So there are nothing. So we can directly take 10 and just subtract it. So answer will be 3.
Yes, very good. Its base is 10. So to make it 10, we need 3. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Right. Let us go to the new exercise. But don't
sir.
give the names. Already, whoever there in this exercise, don't give your names. Okay. You will get chance
actually,
again after the
sir,
next exercise.
So the reason behind that I choose 7 because before me, some of the students have already chosen the question which I want to choose.
Already
That's why I chosen.
Yes, yes. Already questions are over. Remaining question. Okay, no issue, no problem. Next exercise. Give your names. And one more, one thing I want to say here. See, sir, suppose if it is 276, what is its above base?
1000.
1000.
So we can subtract using this sutra, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose instead of 276, if it is 270, what is its above base?
So 1000.
1000 only. If you apply the same sutra as it is, you'll get a wrong answer. See why? What is the last digit here? 0. We need to subtract it from 10. 10 minus.
Sir,
10
yes, sir,
minus
you are
0.
correct. It's
10
10
minus
only,
0.
sir. Yes,
10,
sir, it's
but
10.
we should not get a double digit, right?
Sir, so can't you like we can carry 1?
So can we add
No,
1
no,
to
these are not addition. These are subtractions. How we can get a carry?
Sorry, sir.
Okay.
You know,
So, see, this is an exemption. In this case, what to do is here. What is our sutra? All from
Nikhilam.
all from 9 and unit digit from 10.
Not unit digit. Last from?
Last digit from 10.
Last digit from 10.
From 10. So here we can change the sutra like this. All
Sir,
from 9 and the last. See.
Sir, if the last is 0, we should not subtract 10 by 0. We should subtract the 1 to 10, sir.
Let me explain. Okay, first all from 9 and the last from 10. But here we have to consider that last non-zero
as 7, sir.
Non-zero from 10. Okay. Here, even though 270 is given, here we have to subtract it as a 27 only. 27 only. In that 27, what is the last digit?
7.
7 is the last digit. We have to subtract 7 from 10 and we have to subtract 2 from 9. And 0, we can take it directly granted. Take it granted 0. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Suppose see some 8,300. If this is the case, we'll do in what we will do. We'll take these 2 zeros directly. Okay, 0 and 0. Now here the last digit is 3. 3 subtract from
10.
10. Result will be
7 and then it will be 1.
and 8 subtract
1700.
9. Result will be 17. Okay, so this is the way. Remember this pointer, and we are going to the next exercise. Give your names, whoever not there in the previous exercise. Only 4 questions. I should get 4 messages. Yeah, type your name and question number. New persons. B. Ayush, very good. C. Satvik. Satvik already over or not completed? In the
No,
previous...
sir. I was waiting for this, sir. I did not do.
Okay, D. Navya, and only 1 question remaining. A. Who is going to take A?
Sir, can I take?
Only new persons. Akash already over, I think. Likhita already over. Only new persons. Okay, B. Ayush. D. Navya. C. Satvik.
Sorry, sir. I wrote because I thought that Palla is taken, so I thought I got confused.
Sorry. Who is speaking?
Sir, sorry, by mistakenly I wrote A.
Sir,
Akash.
actually, I'm not done.
I didn't understand what you're saying.
Sir, by mistake I wrote A. Akash. Actually, I was writing Akash. Just by mistake I wrote A. Akash.
Okay. Akash, in the previous exercise, you are there, right?
Yes, sir. That's why I'm saying sorry, because by mistakenly I wrote it.
Okay. And no other persons are there? There are many persons.
So there were many,
Sir,
sir.
actually, I'm not done with at least. Sir, actually, I'm not done with at least 1. So can I do A? I'm Likita.
Likita, we'll do 1 more exercise. Okay, just let us give this chance to the new persons. Rishit, are you there in the previous exercise?
Yes, sir. I was the one to take A, no, sir. First I took B, then I saw that it was example bit, and then I changed it to A.
Okay. Now I am allotting 1 question to 1 person. Siddharth, why you are not taking questions today? This is your question, Siddharth. Siddharth, are you there? Siddharth?
Sir.
Siddharth,
Sir,
are you there?
sir, I am there, sir, but actually my whole screen is stuck, sir.
Sorry, you are?
Sir?
What are you saying?
Sir, his screen
Sir,
is
my whole screen is stuck, sir, actually. It's been like 20 minutes, sir. Sir, his voice is...
Yes, his voice is breaking. Let us give to the other person. Divyesh, respond.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand what is happening here?
No, not really.
Okay. Wait. Abhinav?
Yes, sir.
Do you got this logic?
Yeah, I think
you can do this question. A.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right. All of you do all the questions in
Sir,
half
done.
minute or 1 minute. Do all the questions. All
Sir,
of
done.
you.
Sir,
Sir,
done.
I already did them.
Keep in mute condition only. Whoever completed can raise hand.
Sir,
Okay.
so
No problem.
we have to minus the last digit with 10, right?
Abhinav, wait. Take some time. Take 1 minute of time. Then you will explain. You can explain.
Sir, I got it, sir.
Do all the questions first.
Okay.
All of you do all the questions. Only 4
Okay.
questions.
Sir, all the questions are done.
Who are done, they can raise hand. Akash
Sir,
completed.
the same formula we have to use no of the last question.
Sorry? What, Shahu?
Sir, the same type we have to do no these sums also like the last time.
Yes. As the same as previous questions only.
Okay.
Apply formula. Apply formula. Which formula? All from 9 and last from 10.
Nikilam.
Nikilam formula.
Sir, but here it's something else because in Nikilam, like we have to take 10, but here the unit digit is 0. So you have also taught this before this exercise.
That's already I explained, you know.
Yes, sir. That's what I was saying.
That thing before early. See, here it is there already.
Yes, sir. Actually, I was saying that this exercise is a little bit different from the first one.
Yes.
Just the motive is the formula is same.
Except that remaining same. Akash completed, Srihita completed, Navya completed, Pallav completed, Sadhvi completed. Next. Shahu completed. Only 4 questions. Why you are taking this much time? Remaining persons. Yashmita, Likhita, Ayush, not completed.
Sir, I was done before only. I did not know we had to send it in chat.
Sir, even I was done.
No need to send, just raise hand. So that I can understand who completed.
Sir, my Zoom is in a browser, sir. I don't know what's happening, but I have the Zoom app, but it's still not opening in it. So I can't raise the hand, sir.
Okay. I hope all of you have done. Now you can lower your hands. Akash, by mistake it is. Okay. Abhinav, now you can explain. Abhinav.
Yes, sir. Sir, should I tell the answer directly? Is it 642?
Okay, answer is 642. How you got that one?
Sir, like we have to minus 10 with 0. And then the other digits we should do it with 9. Like 9 minus 7 is 2.
No.
And then
I think you have not listened to
Sir,
this.
shall I explain it, sir?
No. Abhinav, see here. What you have done is you have subtracted 357 from 1000, I think. No, this is also not the correct answer, right? Here you have subtracted even 7 also from 9 only. So this is not the right answer actually. But see, if it is 357, when you are going to subtract this number from 1000, last digit from 10, and all the remaining digits from 9. Okay.
yes, sir.
10 minus 7 is
3.
9 minus 5?
4.
9 minus 3?
6.
So 643 is the answer. Okay. Suppose if the question is 3570, I told this point. What is that point? We can take that 0 directly to the answer. We can take
Yes,
that
sir.
0
So
directly
then
to
we
the
can
answer.
take from 7.
And again, same process for this 357. Same process means we'll get the answer as
6,430.
So 643, and we have to append it with 0.
So that means like we have to take 7 as the last digit, and then we can do the same process.
That's what. Last means a non-zero last digit is 7.
Yes,
If the
sir.
non-zero
We
last
need,
digit is
whatever the number of zeros is there, we have to write as it is from the unit
yes.
place and then do the same.
Yes, correct. Suppose 8, 3, 7, 0, 0, 0. When you are going to apply
Write
this
the
sutra on this number,
zeros as it is, and then 10 minus 7, 3, 9 minus 3, 6, and 9 minus 8, 1.
that's all. I think now you got this one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I don't understand all of you are getting or not. Some persons are okay with it, but
Yes, sir. I am very okay, sir. I have also completed this already.
Sir,
remaining.
sir, I got it, sir. What it is.
Okay. See here again I'm telling this one 0 I'll take directly 0. 7 if we subtract from 10 3. 5 if we subtract from 9 4, and 3 if we subtract from 9 6. So now you got it, I think. Abhinav.
Sir, I think he's in mute position.
That's what I'm calling.
Sir, you can ask him to unmute like you were saying by mistakenly. I was getting notification like the host is saying it to unmute.
Maybe
So
if
you
he
can
is
also.
watching this video, he can.
Sir, the problem is his video is also off.
What he is doing now, we don't know. Okay. Abhinav actually left out. Abhinav?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Are you okay now?
Sir.
Hello.
Sir, I'm not Abhinav.
Abhinav?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to the second question. That is 920. Ayush, proceed.
Sir, we should do 1000 minus 920. So 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Then 10 minus 2 equal to 8. And then 9 minus 9 equal to 0. So the answer is 80.
80. Simply 80 is the answer. Very good. Correct.
Sir, can I tell the next one?
Somewhere a disturbance is there. They can put it
Sir,
in.
by Abhinav only.
Now it
the
is.
disturbance is by Abhinav only. He was saying that can he do the next one?
Satvik?
Yes, sir.
Proceed.
Sir, we should subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0 from 1 crore, sir.
Okay. From the next time onwards, simply apply this formula. Means you don't need to say the above base number. Simply directly you can tell the processor. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right.
10 minus 6, sir. First we should write 0 like that only.
Okay.
10 minus 6 is 4.
Okay.
9 minus 5 is 4.
Right.
9 minus 4 is 5.
9
minus 3 is 6.
Okay.
9 minus 2 is 7.
Okay.
And 9 minus 1 is 8.
That's all. That is the answer. Very good. Then Navya.
So we have to write 0 asterisk like 2 times. Because the 2 zeros.
Sorry, your voice is not clear.
Am I audible now?
Navya, are you there?
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Navya, explain.
Sir, I think there's a disturbance from her. Sir.
TV sound, I think. Okay.
Should I explain?
Divyesh?
Sir, can I?
Sir, can I?
Who?
Akash.
I'm Likita, sir. Can I?
Wait.
Sir Akash.
Shreyasi?
Sir, may I Shahu?
Shreyasi?
Sir, may I Ritvik?
Yes, sir.
Wait. We have one more.
Sir, you can hear me, right?
Sir,
Yeah.
may I speak?
Yeah, now it is okay. Explain D. Shreyasi. Shreyasi. Maybe internet connection problem. Why today many persons are not able to.
Sir, there is a scribbling sound.
Okay, problem with the network only.
So shall I say, please? This is Akash.
Sir,
Sir,
can
may
I,
I
Likita?
Shahu?
I have not got any
Sir,
chance
can I
today.
share?
Please, sir.
Likita, explain.
Yes, sir. So, doing minus with 1000 because no, actually it is what is that before number? So 10,000. So doing minus with 10,000, it will be 0 0.
Okay.
After that, doing minus with 10, 3. There will be almost 7. After that, with 9, there will be 6.
So answer 6,700. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Now all of you can give your names. So here one point. Let me tell you one point. After taking that point, you can give your names. Wait. If this is the case, sir, till now we are solving the questions like the how many zeros are there? Those many digits are there. Some 763. Okay. Some if it is 10,000. Some 4,860. 62. Okay. Some 100 is there. We'll subtract 24. So how many zeros are there? Those many digits are there in the subtraction. There is a number minus another number, and this is the result. So there is a terminology, right? What we can call this term? Tell me. In subtraction, what is the terminology? What we can call this term?
Sir, the first term is
Sir,
the
antecedent
actual.
and
Minuend, right?
Yes, sir.
Minuend. This is subtrahend. And this is the result. Means difference. Okay, minuend, subtrahend, and difference. So here in till now, the questions are like how many zeros are there in the minuend? They are equal to the number of digits in the subtrahend. Okay, what if the question is like this? 10,000 minus 98. If this is the case, then 10,000.
10 minus 8,
We'll
9
take it
minus
this way.
9, and the rest 0.
Tell me.
And rest we can write as 9, sir, directly.
Yeah, how you can write it as 9? Tell me that point also.
Sir means we will do as 10 minus 8, which is 2, then 9 minus 9, which is 0, and then 9 it will be 9902.
Answer is okay, but how you are getting that?
Sir, because
Sir,
there
the rest
was
two zeros, instead of that we can write 9.
See. So here, if
Sir,
number of digits.
Of 98, sir, there would be zeros.
Sir,
Yes,
can I
correct.
say, sir?
Correct. So here, if the number of digits are less than number of zeros, so we can make them equal, right? By placing number of zeros.
Yes, sir. That only I was going to say, but they
Yes,
are
yes.
saying.
Sir, I
Zeros
even
are-
said that, sir. You also said yes.
Now number of zeros are 4 and number of digits also 4. And again, we can apply the same. And whatever Sahu said is also correct. Without taking these zeros also, directly we can write 9. So even after taking zeros, it will be this. Okay. Now
Sir,
this type of
can we
questions.
send it in chat, sir?
Sorry?
Sir, can we start typing in the chat?
Yeah, now you can start. Now you can. A Rishit, E Ritvik. Okay, don't send repeatedly. Okay, only once. Akash went out. I'm starting from A, Rishit.
Sir, what happened?
Nothing happened.
Sir,
Try to
actually
answer.
you told my name because I was joining with my computer. Till now my power cut was there, now power came, so that's why I was saying.
Okay, okay. Try to do this exercise.
Sir, is
Okay,
the
sir.
same with it, sir. Is the
Where is
same.
the L?
D sharp.
Sir, all numbers are. Sir, except D1, all numbers are same as the zeros of the above
Yes,
numbers.
sir. Yes, sir.
Except one, all are
Sir,
same as previous case only.
sir, except D1, everything we did, sir. Same.
Okay, we'll do it again, no problem. Satvik, is it I or L?
I, sir.
Sir, I told first I.
Sir, before him, I said, sir, first.
Before Akash, Satvik is taken I. Go for another question, Akash. Go for another
Okay,
question.
sir, I'll say I'll take.
Write it in the chat box.
They are already sent by someone, sir.
Which question?
Sir, J1 I already took.
J, Jashmita.
Yes, sir.
H, Pallav. I Akash, J Akash, K Akash. Okay, I'll give it K.
Sir, no one took G, sir.
Sir, even B,
B and C, sir. B and C and G, sir.
Okay, that's all. Measures are over. As of now, it is over.
Sir, you only allowed someone with B.
Okay, I will alert. I don't leave them. Shreyasi, are you there? At least respond in chat box, sir. If you are having any problem, we can respond in chat box. Rishit got chance. Rohant, why you are not given name?
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Rohant, I am giving G.
Okay, sir.
So Shreyasi saying that he
I
has
have
microphone issue.
microphone problem. Okay. Okay, Shreyas. Next. Okay, no issue. Siddharth is also having some problems. Shreyas is having problem. Navya is not given name, right? This.
Sir, but you said that the names which are given in the previous exercise you won't take.
Because all the persons are over now. One round is completed. This is a fresh round. Fresh round. That's why anyone can give the names.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir,
Abhinav.
only 16 members are there.
Okay. B, Abhinav.
Sir, it seems Navya cannot unmute her mic, so she cannot tell the answer.
Okay, Navya, mic is not working. Okay. Aish. Okay. Which question? C. Ayush. Ayush, okay?
Okay, sir.
All right. Do all the questions first.
Sir, done, sir. I was doing.
So done.
Okay. Remaining persons can do the remaining questions if we have no doubt. If anyone having any doubt, just listen to their explanations. Rishit, start from A. Rishit.
Yes, sir. First, 1 should be subtracted from 10, sir, which gives us 9.
Okay.
Then remaining with 9, sir. So 9 minus 8 is equal to 1, sir.
Okay.
Then 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. So
How
our
much?
answer is 519. 5, sir. 5.
Correct.
Sir, our answer is 519.
Correct. Very good. So Abhi, are you ready? Abhinav. If you are not ready, we'll go for another question. We'll do it later. We'll see this question later. Abhinav.
I'm ready, sir.
Okay. Explain.
So 10 minus 9 is 1.
Okay.
And 9 minus 0 is 9.
Very good.
And 9 minus 3 is 6. So 691.
Very good. Correct. Then Aish, are you ready? If not ready, after all the
sir.
questions, you can explain.
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
Explain.
So first 10 minus 2 equal to 8. Then
Good.
9 minus 9 equal to 0.
Okay.
Then 9 minus 8 equal to 1. So
That's
answer is 108.
Very good. Correct. Then Shahu, that special question came to you only.
Yes, sir. Sir, here we can do it like 100 means
Shahu.
yes, sir. It will be 7 minus 10, which is 3, and then 9 minus 9, which is 0. We can take it as 097, so it will be 3. Sorry, 903.
Okay. Do one thing here. First, put a 0 here, then there will be no confusion. Okay. Here 3 zeros are there.
Sir.
So make it 3 digits first. Then there will be no confusion. So 10 minus 7, 3. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 0, 9. That's all. Okay. Ritvik.
Sir, 10 minus 8 would be 2 and 9 minus 7 would be 2.
That's all. Correct.
Sir, it's very easy, sir. Actually. I didn't expect it.
Yes, sir. So 10 minus 3 is 7.
Okay.
And 9 minus 3 is 6.
That's
67.
Then Rohan.
Yes, sir. So 9 minus 7, which is 3.
Sorry?
9 minus 7.
No. So which 7 you are telling? This one, first 7 or last 7?
So last 7. Sorry, 10 minus 7, sir.
Last from 10, right? That's tell me.
Sir, it's 3.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Then 9 minus 7, which is 2.
Okay.
Then 9 minus 8, which will be 1.
Okay.
Then again 9 minus 1, which will be 1 again.
That's
so 1, 1,
correct.
2. So 1.
Very good.
Okay,
Pallav. Pallav. Pallav, are you there? Okay, meanwhile, we'll go to the next question. Satvik?
Yes, sir. Sir, 10 minus 8 is equal to 2.
Okay.
9 minus 0 is 9. And 9 minus 8 is equal to 1.
Correct. Next, Jashmita.
Yes, sir. 0, the unit digit, last digit is 0, so we'll directly write 0. 10
Very
minus 1 equals to 9. 9 minus 7 equals to 2. So answer is 290.
Very good. Correct. Then Akash.
Yes, sir. So we can write directly the both zeros because both zeros can't become third, so we can write 0, 0 at last.
Your voice is not clear, Akash.
Yes, sir, I just reload my system.
Hmm.
So now can you hear me?
Now it is okay.
Okay, sir. So we can write, sir, 0 and 0 first. 0 and 0. And then 10 minus 3, which is 7.
Okay.
9 minus 6, which is 3.
Okay. That's all.
Answer, yes, sir. That's all the answer is.
3,700. And now only Pallav is remaining. Somebody left out. Pallav is there. Pallav left out, I think. So we'll go with Likita. Likita, explain H.
Yes, sir.
Proceed.
So I did not got this thing, sir.
Last from
10.
10. Any? Likita, is it audible for you?
Yeah. What's it?
Okay,
What?
let me explain to you.
What?
Because time is up already.
So 1 minute before explanation, 1 minute I will connect to another internet.
Okay, okay, no issue. We have other exercises also. Satvik, explain.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, 10 minus 6 is 4, sir.
Okay.
And 9 minus 7 is 2.
Hmm.
And 9 minus 8 is 1.
Okay.
9 minus 9 is 0.
Okay. All of you are applying this technique. Okay, all of you are applying this technique very comfortably. That is okay. But for what this one we are doing this one, we should be clear with that. Okay. For what purpose we are doing in this way, we should be clear with that. Right. So in the next next class, we'll do some more exercises on Nikitam only.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, this method is only used for 10,000, 10,000, only for these numbers.
No, 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 not only for these numbers, other numbers also we can use. We'll see that thing in the next class.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.